constantly evolving shopping catalog that interacts with a user's unique taste and feedback as they browse. We use that data to make recommendations that are based on the individual. Dibsie is editorial and curation meets machine learning to make individualized sale recommendations for top brands and unique small businesses. Prior to working on startups, I was a consultant, and I thought about what I was doing and the fact that I was participating in the startup space from the outside. I was reading blogs, I was going to meetups, but I hadn't yet taken the leap. And I had an epiphany one day when I thought about my friends from college that were actors. And regardless of the fact that most of them were waiting tables, when I'd ask them what they were doing, they would say unequivocally that they were actors. And I thought that an entrepreneur should and must have the same passion. And so I decided that the idea was not necessarily as important as how you define yourself. And so I decided to leave consulting, start my first company, and the rest is semi-history. It's extremely exciting to think of putting our product in front of as many people as possible and seeing it go from the idea stage to the growth phase where we're adding customers, we're starting to earn revenues, and see it all come together. Being funded would be extremely validating because it means what we're doing is not only interesting, it's somehow important. I know that VCs try and invest in not just ideas, but the next big idea. And if we were to be funded for Dibsie, it would somehow indicate that what we're doing is a big idea and could potentially change the way people browse and discover stuff on the internet. Garren Givens, nice to meet you, Jordan.
How are you, Ben?
I want to talk to you guys about Dibsie. Dibsie is all about product discovery, about editorial and curation meets machine learning to make really powerful and personalized recommendations for sales from top brands all the way down to the unique small businesses. We launched Dibsie at the New York Tech Meetup in August. Since then, we've been getting pretty awesome traction, I'd say, for this early in the game. We've signed up hundreds of small businesses that are using us as a platform to power their offers and present them right alongside major retailers. So our goal is to present you with a lot of content that you can filter through and interact with, and then use those insights to provide a stream of deals that's individualized to you.
So I'm seeing here, I see Kate's Papery, I see Room and Board, I see J. Crew. So how are you getting feeds of that, of those deals?
Sure.
And that content?
So we get inventory in two ways. So first way is from a partnership API that we just pull from Pronto, owned by IAC.
IAC, of course.
More exciting, and where our focus is, because the affiliate model is not a great one unless you have scale, is on the self-service platform.
And so the real question is, like, can you build a lot of audience with the stuff that everybody recognizes, and embed the small guys stuff alongside the big people's stuff?
And move it up and move it up and move it up.
Right, and so you start to preference or float some stuff to the top.
There's something hyper-public-esque about the presentation, at least.
I could talk about the data side with you
Cool.
another time.
Cool.
Sounds awesome. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the opportunity.
Sharp guy.
Seems like a sharp guy. I agree.
Valuable space if you can do it super early.
Super hard to do that. I mean, like, it's just, I'll tell you, the number of, literally every day this morning I talked to a company with like curation around, like using, you know, people's browsing habits to understand what people want, and like the eventual play is commerce. It's like, it's a really, 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 really busy space.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, it would be interesting, you like put up like an item that like absolutely crushes jack threads, and like put it up and like see if it like makes its way up there as like something that like anybody likes, and if like it drives any traffic at all.
Is there a scale of inventory where people like pay attention just because you have everything that's interesting? Probably not, actually.
I think it's very, very difficult.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, anyway, but he is smart.
Yeah, I was definitely nervous. it's a different style of pitching when you're speaking to two folks at the same time, but both Jordan and Ben really know their stuff. So that was a great opportunity, and was excited to put Dibsie in front of them.